Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss exponent and powers. Question number 3, find the value of. In first part, 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 multiply 2 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power minus 1. First we simplify the bracket. 3 raised to power 0, we know the rule, a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So in this we use this rule to simplify 3 raised to power 0. 4 raised to power minus 1. In this we discuss the rule a raised to power minus m equal to 1 over a raised to power m. So when we take the reciprocal of given exponential form, then its power become positive. So we use this rule to simplify 4 raised to power minus 1. 3 raised to power 0, it is equal to 1 plus 4 raised to power minus 1, it is equal to 1 over 4 raised to power 1. Multiply 2 raised to power 2. So LCM is 4. 4 multiplied by 1, 4 plus 1 multiply 2 raised to power 2. It is 2 times repeated multiplication of 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 4 multiply 4. 4 in denominator and 4 in numerator. Both are cancelled on the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 multiplied by 1, we get answer 5. So in question number 2, 2 raised to power minus 1 multiply by 4 raised to power minus 1 divide by 2 raised to power minus 2. And in this question we use the rule a raised to power minus m equal to 1 over a raised to power m. 2 raised to power minus 1 equal to 1 over 2 multiply 4 raised to power minus 1 equal to 1 over 4 divide by 2 raised to power minus 2. It is 1 over 2 raised to power 2. 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 4. Now we change this divide sign to multiplication. When we change the divide sign to multiplication, then we multiply the given term by its reciprocal. So its reciprocal is 2 raised to power 2 over 1. 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 4 multiply 2 raised to power 2. It is 2 times repeated multiplication of 2. So we write 2 multiply by 2. It is equal to 4. 4 over 1. Now 4 in numerator and 4 in denominator. Both are cancelled on the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. So we get answer 1 over 2. Now in question number 3, 1 over 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 over 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 over 4 raised to power minus 2. So they have negative exponent and we have a rule a over b raised to power minus m equal to b over a raised to power m. So we take its reciprocal and their power become positive. 1 over 2 raised to power minus 2, it is 2 over 1 raised to power m, m is 2, plus 1 over 3 raised to power minus 2, we change it 3 over 1 raised to power 2, plus 1 over 4 raised to power minus 2, we change it to 4 over 1 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2, it is 2 times repeated multiplication of 2, so it is 4. There is 1 in denominator, so we have no need to write 1 plus 3 raised to power 2. It is 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9 plus 4 raised to power 2. It is 2 times repeated multiplication of 4. 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 16. So 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 16 is equal to 29. 29 is the answer. Now we move to question number 4. 3 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 plus 5 raised to power minus 1. Its whole power is 0. So we know there is a rule a raised to power 0 equal to 1. a raised to power 0 equal to 1. In this value of a, 3 raised to power minus 1, 4 raised to power minus 1 and 5 raised to power minus 1. So when its power is equal to 0, then we get the answer is 1. Now in question number 5, minus 2 over 3 raised to power minus 2 and whole raised to power is 2. So minus 2 over 3 raised to power minus 2, it is negative exponent. So first we change this negative exponent to positive exponent. So we know the rule, a over b raised to power minus m equal to b over a raised to power m. So minus 2 over 3 raised to power minus 2. We use this rule to simplify this. So it is 3 over minus 2 raised to power 2 and whole raised to power is 2. 3 over minus 2 raised to power 4. So now we multiply the power. 2 multiplied by 2, 4, and we use the law of exponent a raised to power m raised to power n equal to a raised to power mn. To simplify this power, 3 over minus 2 raised to power 4 means it is 4 times repeated multiplication of 3 over minus 2. So 3 over minus 2 multiply 3 over minus 2 multiply 3 over minus 2 multiply 3 over minus 2. In denominator minus minus overtake, and this minus 2 multiply by minus 2 again minus minus overtake. Now we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 3 multiplied by 3, 9, 9 multiplied by 3, 27, 27 multiplied by 3, 81. In denominator 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 2, 16. So 81 over 16 is the answer of this exponential form. If you have any query, then you can comment on this video. Also like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.